Man, I'm talking about I need you more now than ever before. It's real out here.
You know, I gotta give Snoopy his credit because yesterday when I was doing my interview, he heard the talking, he came up to me, he tried to start that forceful stuff, and I'm just like pushing him away, like no. And I'm proud of him because he went away and he stayed away until the very end. So we're gonna give him his flowers for being good. I just had him locked out. So now he being a little extra dramatic because I opened the door and let him in. But I just wanted to eat in peace. He'll be all right. And speaking of the interview, this is how my hair turned out. So this was the beach waves effect. And then you can tell on the other side is different. And that was, I mean, damn. This is the beach wave effect. And I didn't even have it combed out. I finger combed it out. And then this is the Hollywood waves effect. So yeah, that's the two styles that we had to do. This is what they say they do the most. So, baby, I'm gonna be a G at finger waves at this point, if that is true, because I always wanted to mastering finger waves. Yeah, that's always kind of been a thing. I know I kind of mastered it now, but now, like during this whole interview, like this is the best finger waves I've ever done. And literally I was winging that shit that whole time. Like I knew that I didn't want it to look extra curly how it normally does when I let somebody walk out. So what I did was I just stretched everything. I went back to using my pins to kind of mold the finger wave type effect. And yes, this is how she turned out. And oil sheen, my Cream of Nature oil sheen, that is what laid it down so freaking perfectly. So, and then I backdoor and I sprayed basically a dry thickening spray. And baby, I love that combination. Like, that's what it is. Okay, I was trying to figure out. So, when I make my kit, I'm get me fresh bottle of my Cream of Nature oil sheen and then go find me some more of that dry thickening spray because yes, that was it. I told him to take a nap and start life over again because he most definitely woke up on titty baby side today, and I was not having it. I'm like, no sir. So I wanted to take a nap and lay in the bed, and then I enjoyed my alone time, and then eventually he got up here and I had a talk, and I was like, sir, you've been acting real spoil-ish today, and I'm not with it. So I let him know. He getting on my nerves. And I'm like, you most definitely woke up on the wrong side of the bed. So I'm going to need you to take a nap, and I'm going to need you to wake up, and I'm going to need you to be on the right side of the bed. Because no sir. I don't know if he ate his food, but I think I put food in his bowl, closed the door on him. So he probably didn't eat his food, but that's okay. I gave him food, I closed it down. He shut up. He whined, and then he shut up. I slept for a nice period of time. And then he started whining again, and I pretended like I didn't hear him. And then once he shut up, I let him in here. He came in here whining, and I'm just like, get in the bed and shut up. And yeah, now we're here. And it's crazy because I was like, this nigga then got comfortable in my legs. And I was like, as soon as I had that thought, I took a deep breath. And then he backed door and took a deep breath, and I was like, wow, okay. So he really did just get comfortable or whatever he needed. So hopefully he wakes up on the better side of the bed. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh yes, I have a lot.
This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you know me feeling. It's this one thing you just this one thing that got me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. This one thing you know so willing. It's this one thing you just hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep thinking to myself. Memories just keep ringing bells. Hey, what's this? I don't wanna understand. My pockets are jiggling in my head. All my hands are clicking towards your door.
Hey.
With the V-Time and the East run. She drive a Nissan, and she in a pink run. I don't want her.